In the last video, we wrote out the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star starting on the note F, and we used diatonic intervals to tell us how far up or down the melody should move from note to note. And we came up with a version of the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. But our ear told us that one of those notes was not quite right. Something was a little bit off. I'm going to sing what I think the melody should be, and then I'm going to play on the piano the melody as we actually wrote it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And you can hear pretty clearly the clash on the words, how I. And that happens right here in measure 5. Let's stop on that moment. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I... So, in my voice I'm singing this note, how I... And on the piano I'm playing this note. So let's see, and I'm going to just point it out here on the piano. We're playing this B on the piano. Let's just, with a little trial and error, see if we can figure out what that note should be. So I want this note. How I... Let's go up 1/2 step and see if it's this note, the C, that's right above. How I... No, that's not quite right. Let's go down 1/2 step and let's play the black key that is directly below B. How I... That's it. That's the note that we want right there. The black key that is directly below B, or we'll call this by its name, B flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the melody as we wrote it out here in the second staff, and I'm going to put that flat symbol right in front of the B and make my B into a B flat. And remember, that flat symbol is going to affect not just the first B, but the second B in this measure. So now that I've done that, let me go through and play this melody from start to finish on F with the B flat and see how that changes things. So now we've let our ear adjust this melody and we've made a correction, and now we have an exact transposition of the melody from C to F. But why didn't the diatonic intervals work? We followed them exactly. We went up a fifth, we went up a second, we went down a second, down a second, down a second, down a second, down a second. In the next video, we're going to explore exactly that question and see if we can investigate why it is that our diatonic intervals did not quite work as we thought they would.